Sorry, guys. I lost my mouth there for a second. Here we go, guys. Final break of the evening. 85-39. Tier 1 baseball. Let's go over to the screen. We've got a serial number closer for 10 teams. The Atlanta Braves, the White Sox, the Tigers, the Astros, the Royals, the Dodgers, the Brewers, the Phillies, the Pirates, and the Cardinals. Random.org's working again. So, we're back over here. Good luck to everybody. 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Emperor. Lou. Down to Dunk. And then 3 times on numbers. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to 6. Let's go over to the team list. Lou, you got number 4. Crosby, number 1. Suck on it, number 2 and 9. Mr. Inflatables, 7 and 5. Dunk, 3. Crosby, number 8. Navy Sailor, number 0. And Dunk, number 6. And again, that's for the Braves, the Tigers, the Astros, the Royals, the Dodgers, the Brewers, the Phillies, the Pirates, and the Cardinals. Again, guys, the breaks for tomorrow are up on the site. Like I said, we've got release day. I'm excited to get into World Cup season. We're about a month and a half away, and we got release day of Mosaic Road to the Cup. That's going to be fun. You guys have been starting to purchase some spots there. Appreciate it. Thank you. But let's break this. Let's have some fun. Let's get nasty. Let's get lumbery. It's gonna be hard to beat a Derek Jeter 101 bat barrel, but let's do it. Let's do it. I'm excited. It's been a while since I've opened Tier 1. Last break of the night, guys. Thank you for being here throughout. If you've been here all night, I appreciate you. I thank you. Got 1 box right there. Move these back. And let's have some fun. Tier 1. Box number 1. Here we go, guys. Zach Wheeler for the Philadelphia Phillies. Going to the serial number closer, 16 of 399. Dunk. Next up, Paul DeJong. That's 90. That's 290. It's going to be very hard because he signed over it. But if you can trust me, it's 290 of 299. Or sorry, 280 of 299. So 0, Navy Sailor. And on the back, Mike Piazza to 50 for the New York Mets. Navy. One of my favorite players watch growing up. We got New York games and we got Brave games, so I saw a lot of Mike Piazza growing up. These packs are just Ooh. 4 of 10. Lorenzo Kane for the Brewers. Serial number Lou. Just sneaking in that 2-color. For the Brewers, serial number Lou. 4 of 10. Patrick Corbin. Dunk. For the Washington Nationals to 25. And goes this way. Whit Merrifield. 64 of 99. Lou. That one's yours. Serial number, crushing it. Here we go. Box number 3. Box pack number 3. That's a good name on the back. I don't know if you saw it. Kenta Maeda for the Twins. Relic to 349. MN Viking. Next, Joey Wendell to 299. Tier 1 talent autograph for the Tampa Bay Rays. Dunk. Next, Ernie Clement for the Cleveland Guardians to 299. G. Mancini. And we were talking about him earlier. Miguel Cabrera. 96 of 99. That's going to Dunk. Sorry, Mr. Inflatables. So close, but yet so far. Here we go, guys. Box number 4. There he is again. Ernie Clement, rookie jersey to 399 for the Guardians. G. Mancini. Next, Manuel Rodriguez for the Cubbies. Dunk. Rookie autograph to 299. And on the back, Fergie Jenkins to 299. Tier 1 talent for the Cubbies. Dunk. Dunk. Crushing it. Picking up those good teams. Here we go, guys. Box 5. We got 2 fatties here. Enrique Hernandez, the 399 for the Red Sox. Suck on it. Next, Dave Winfield for the Yankees to 249. Torrey Z, relic. Chris Taylor, 282 of 299. Suck on it from the serial number closer. Autograph. And on the back, Austin Riley, 108 of 299. Crosby, 87. Serial number closer. Serial number closer doing work, guys. That's why I'm always fascinated. Why that is. Takes forever to fill. Oop, careful there. Got action on 10 teams, and they've had at least half of the cards in the break, if not more. Ooh, that's nice. Blake Snell for the Padres, 8 of 25. Hans 10. Tricolor. Next, Charlie Barnes for the Minnesota Twins to 299 rookie autograph. MN Viking. And on the back, Greg Maddox, 14 of 75 for the Atlanta Braves. Lou. Last spot, Mojo. You're crushing it. Garrett Cole for the Yankees to 399. Relic. Torrey Z. Next, Luke Williams, 249 at 299. Suck on it. Rookie autograph for the Phillies from the serial number closer. Next, Carl Yastrzemski for the Boston Red Sox, numbered 1 of 10. Suck on it. And on the back, goes this way, I think. No, I had it right. Kirby Puckett, Legends relic to 199 for the Minnesota Twins, MN Viking. Box number 8. Joey Votto, to 399 for the Cincinnati Reds, JR7, JR23. Next, Andre Jackson, 59 at 299. Dodgers, 9, serial number. Suck on it. Next, Bill. Oh gosh. It went Mazeroski. I probably butchered that again. But Pittsburgh Pirates, 120 of 299. Navy Sailor. He just went on earlier about it. And there he is, Salvi. 5 of 199. 5 of 199. To the serial number closer, Mr. Inflatables. There you go. Nice Salvi autograph. Yeah, no, they for sure need to work on their distribution of hits. But there's no shortage of good cards coming out of this. Here we go. Box number 9. Logan Webb for the Giants. Relic to 399. Jam Schwartz. Next, Javier Baez. 48 of 399. The Detroit Tigers. Crosby 87 from the serial number closer. Next, Dansby Swanson. 216 of 299. Autograph. 16 dunk. Number 6 in that serial number closer. And on the back, Cal Raleigh. Rookie autograph. Number 9 of 10 for the Seattle Mariners. Suck on it. I think there was a Giant. Thought I hit a relic of a Giant, but I could be wrong. Here we go. Box 10. Packs don't like me for some reason. Well, speaking of Giants. Buster Posey. Dual relic to 25. Jam Schwartz. J.M. Schwartz. There you go. Nice 3-color, 2-color. Next, Max Kranick for the Pirates. 150 at 299. Navy Sailor. And autograph on the back. Jim Rice for the Boston Red Sox. Tier 1 talent. Autograph. Suck on it. Well, you got a Buster. Congratulations. This is a nice card right here. And I can get it out. For the LA Angels, War Turtles to 199. Legends jersey relic. War Turtles. Next, Angel Rendon. 220 of 299. Rookie autograph for the St. Louis Cardinals. Navy Sailor. And on the back, Mo Vaughn to 200 for the Boston Red Sox. Suck on it. And box 12, everybody. Again, for everybody here, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for having me as your entertainment for the evening as we just hung out and broke some cards. Opened some packs. Just had a lot of fun. Final pack here, guys. Good luck to everybody. Anthony Rizzo for the Yankees to $3.99. Torrey Z. Jake McCarthy to $2.99 rookie autograph. There he is. J.M. Schwartz. And final card of the break. Randy Arozarena to $2.99 autograph for the Tampa Bay Rays. Dunk. There you go. Guys, group break number 8539, Tier 1 Baseball. There you have it.